We come back to a cancellation crisis. Wildfire impacts on homeowner insurance coverage. Soaring costs are leading to a brand new coverage plan for California, down to identifying zip codes for insurance companies will have to cover to reap new state-mandated rewards.
Steve Large from our CBS station in Sacramento is in one of the zip codes the state has ID'd for their new coverage plan.
And this is right in the middle of a high wildfire danger zone, according to the state insurance commissioner. People who live here are well versed in wildfire risks and canceled fire coverage.
Everybody in the foothills communities essentially has been canceled by their primary insurance provider.
John Michelini stands on the deck of his Forest Hill home surrounded by stunning views and pine trees.
Our primary coverage was canceled 3 years ago.
Michelini was forced to buy limited, last resort state fair plan coverage that just increased 20% this year.
And now we're at 54.31.
His home is in one of the 350 California zip codes the state insurance commissioner just released on this map, targeting neighborhoods where it wants insurance companies to increase the policies they offer.
That map was both long overdue, perhaps larger and more expansive than many of us would have expected.
Carmen Balber is executive director at Consumer Watchdog and says the best way to get insurance companies back into these zip codes is to guarantee coverage for homeowners like Michelini who harden their homes in case of wildfire.
This siding here is not wood, it's actually pressed concrete, so it's very, very low to no combustibility.
You know, what's happening now is insurance companies aren't calling you back.
The state insurance commissioner, Ricardo Lara's new insurance sustainability plan does not go that far. Instead, it forces insurers to cover homeowners in high-risk areas at 85% of their statewide coverage, to take over policies from the state's high-cost fair plan for people who couldn't get coverage anywhere else. And in exchange, the insurers can use forward-looking models to base rate increases on future risk.
On day one, insurance companies will be allowed to raise rates. And that's not just for people in fire areas, but for every homeowner in the state of California.
The drive for profit will remain regardless of the environment that we're working in. So
Michelini is not expecting the state insurance plan to save him any money. He's hopeful his massive bill hikes won't be as wild.
The least we got to do is get it under control.
This new sustainable insurance strategy is only a proposal right now. The insurance commissioner hopes to have it in place by the end of the year.